Hey Titans, in this video we'll troubleshoot not seeing the view you're expecting or not getting fields that you've added to the project even though you've published it and checked them many times and you still can't see those fields. So typically these will happen whenever you have multiple devices set up on a page. You published your project and then you came in and let's say you've added a text field. And I'll save this real quick like that, and I'll run a quick preview, and I see my text field. Everything is great, and I can even go and publish it. Everything is wonderful. Say I have this site embedded somewhere, and I come in, and I do not see the field, and I see a completely different view, and I do not know why. So this happens whenever you have different devices. So one thing to keep in mind is that whenever you set up the device, then it's a separate entity from the desktop, the laptop, tablet, so on and so forth. So what will happen is if I'll switch laptop view and I'll take a look at this field here, and the easiest way to see it is to look at it at the layer list, I can see that it's hidden. So now, if I'll unhide this, and let's say I'll place it over here, and I'll save, and then let's go to tablet, and again I see the text field is over here, and what I want to do is obviously unhide it. So again, in the layer list, you want to unhide it, and you want to go through the rest of the layouts, and you can obviously also refresh the layout, and that will also do the job. So you can go over here, you could choose a refresh device, and that will also bring the device back to up to speed from its parent. And now, if obviously we'll go ahead and publish, and we'll go to our embedded site and we'll refresh, we will get the text field as well. Refresh again, and here it is. So it's always great to keep in mind that whenever you're dealing with different devices, and obviously whenever you're embedding it or using LWC, you might get different devices. You always want to make sure you go through the list of devices, either refresh them or go field by field and unhide and place it accordingly to wherever it needs to be in its respective devices. Now, if you don't have any devices configured and you're just running a responsive AI on, and you have a complex view, and again, you get to a different width, and sometimes the responsive AI cannot handle very well very complicated layouts, it's always a great idea to set up a device and make sure that the way that that device looks like matches what you need it to look like, and that will help you a lot with getting what you want to see. And this is how it's done.